Workers feed discs and steel tubes, then secure them with multi-point spot welding. The whole structure is firmly welded, without loose parts. Hand forge and bend for smooth arcs, with embossed curves, while solid metal beads to iron beds. Secure the clock dial firmly to the exact center of the iron frame. Adjust the position to ensure perfect centering and symmetry. Then install the hanging bracket on the back. Proceed to the final packaging step. Stick the adhesive labels tightly to avoid falling off. Place the instruction manual and spare clock hands inside. Then put the finished clock into the carton and seal the box for shipment.